Okay, welcome back, Inspiration Addicts, and we're here in St. Louis, Illinois, at the terminal, and we're going to pick this trailer up here. We're going to pick up an oil additive here at our facility and take it to Exxon in Beaumont, Texas. So we're just going to check out, make sure the external and internal valve are working properly, as well as the pump. So this is the pump. So what we're going to do is going to make sure it pumps up. So it pumps up really good. And the reason why we know it's pumped up really good, I'm gonna let you see, I'm gonna let you watch. I can't really see it by that. Can you see? No. I'm trying to position this. See, can you see those pins fall? So that means it's working good. And when they rise, I'm gonna pump it. I'm trying to hold my phone and do it at the same time. You'll see them rise. So that means the internal valve is working properly, right? I'm gonna check it again. It falls, good to go. So I'm gonna place my phone here and let you watch me inspect the internal valve here. Okay, I'm gonna place it right here. You can watch it. So we're gonna take a loose. This is called the bonnet. We're gonna check the bonnet out. So this is the checking the clamp off here. I'm gonna check it, make sure that it's working, because if this is not working properly, you will get loaded and you won't be able to control the flow. And as this turns, this just pushes out. Hopefully I'm getting a good visual of this. It pumps out. It's like a rising stem valve here. That's all it is, just a rising stem. And we call it an internal valve. So we want to make sure that it has the clamp and all the rings and everything good to go. Put it back on. Put the clamp back on. And also, you want to check this. Sometimes you can be in a hurry and forget to check it, and this could be loose, and you can lose it on the highway, and you really screwed. And you can actually lose product as well too, which is a big fine, huge fine. So once again, I apologize for the camera action, the angles and everything, but we're gonna get better from here, right? Hey. So we're gonna put this back on. Make sure this is on here real tight. So you ladies and gentlemen who drive tanker, y'all already know this. We're just sharing this information. And you rookies or beginners, this is what you need to know. So you need to make sure this is nice and tight. Nice and tight. You want to make sure that this is nice and tight. And you want to close it, make sure it's closed. Because sometimes you can go to a facility and they don't close this, and you have product in here. And the only thing that's keeping the product from coming out is just this cap here. You want to make sure that your cap has the ring, the seal, the O-ring inside of it. This is a Teflon seal ring. And you want to make sure it's tight. Make sure that's on nice and tight. And sometimes you have to position in a way where it can lock. It's not quite locking. It's not locking. There you go. Got to. This is my handy duty tire thumper, tire checker thumpers. It's not a weapon. It's a tire thumper. And you want to make sure that you don't lose this too. Look, that's already loose. See there? That's loose. And that falls off and you're still screwed. But I also keep extra wrenches too, because I have lost a couple of these in my being in a hurry and not checking everything. So we're gonna put it on, and I'm gonna get the proper tool and tighten it down, make sure it's nice and tight. And that is a proper check of the internal and external valve. So you wanna make sure that it's working properly. And you also wanna make sure that all your steam traps are closed as well too. You don't wanna lose any steam product out, which this is gonna be a heated product. It's gonna be pretty hot. It's gonna be a thick oil. And that is it. This is the check of the pump, hydraulic pump, internal valve. This is the internal, which the bottom we check with the internal, and this is the external valve. So that's a proper check. That's it. We out. Get your head up. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah.